Hi guys. Where are you from? I am from the Philippines. I am from Quezon City. Ayan. Hi. Hello. Hello to fans of our sister groups. Hello. Terima kasih for watching the stream. Thank you, thank you. Hi. Of course, I know. JKT48. Anong agenda natin? Siyempre, kakamustahin ko naman kayo, guys. Kasi, my gosh, parang tagal na nating hindi nagkita. Both sa account ko, and of course, dahil miss na miss namin ang MN Loves. Kaya nga nakapag-sponty live kami last night, di ba? Kasi miss na namin kayo. Hello! Hello, Nori! Hello! Hello, JLP! Hello, hello, hello! Hello! Pure Filipino po ba si Sarina? No! She is our Japanese diva! So, she's half Japanese. And, yeah. She's half Japanese and she's half Filipina. Ayan. Hello, guys. So, fortunately or unfortunately, ako lang ang magla-live for today. So, please share the live. Kasi we are doing a check-in for you guys. Kasi syempre, miss na namin kayo. And, ayun. Yeah. Ayun nyo ba yun? Ayun nyo bang namimiss namin kayo? Hindi nyo ba kami miss? Patayin ko na to. Patay ko na to. Hindi nyo pala kami miss. Yes. Ayun. Hello to the JKT48 fans. Hello. Hello, nakapag-lunch ka na ba? Yes po, nakapag-lunch na ako. Ayun pala, so we have hit 100 viewers. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Eminal48 Renee, and I am part of the 5th generation, and I am the penguin. Wink, wink. Hello. Hello, everybody. Ayan, tap the screen naman, guys. Tap the screen. Tap the screen para, para naman tayo ay may malaking engagement. Yes! How are you guys? Ayun. Hehe. Yes. Hi guys. Yan, tap the screen guys. Magpa 10k likes muna tayo bago ako mag-life update para sa inyo guys. You're so beautiful. Thank you so much. Terima kasih. Wink wink. Hello, Gamba Rene. Hello, hello. Hi guys. Ayun, if you guys have any questions, just drop them in the comments. Ayun. Yes, just drop them in the chat if you guys have any questions. Pero if life update yan, pa 10k likes nyo naman muna. Pa may new stuff toy sa likod? No! You speak Indonesian? No, I only know how to say thank you in Indonesian. Ayun. Ikaw lang ang nag-iisang Oshi ko. Oy! Thank you. Sana all loyal sa Oshi. Ako lang ang Oshi mo. Pag ako lang Oshi mo, bawal ka nang lumipat sa iba, ha? Ayun. Ayun. Akin na lang yung penguin sa likod. No! Ayaw. That's mine. Siyempre, kahit nandito tayo kay official, mambabakod talaga ako. Nag-iisang Oshi, real or fake? Oh, no! Real. High note, please. Ayun, narinig nyo ba? What time is it there? It's around like 2:25 p.m. PM. Ayun. Amin na lang po yung naka-red na cute. Ay! Hello, Penguinatics. Hello. It's been a long time, Commander. Yes. Oshi ka lang nila. Pasensya kami, Oshi, kasi kita. Kinilig ako doon! Kinilig ako doon. Ayun. Hi! Ayun! Naka 10k likes na tayo. Thank you guys so much. And, so, dahil naka 10k likes na tayo, ako ay magre-reveal ng kung ano ang nangyari sa aking buhay at bakit nga ba ako nawala? Or, ba't nga ba ako nawala for like a while? What's your favorite song from my group? My favorite song, probably, dami kasi. Kayo, anong favorite song nyo? Dami kasi, no? Nogizaka. Wow! Ayun. Anong generation ko sa MNL48? I am part of the 5th generation po. And so, guys, dahil ako ay magre-reveal ng aking mga naging life experience this past month, I guess. Kayo mamili ko anong topic natin. Anong gusto nyong malaman kung ano nangyari? Are you graduating from your studies? Not yet. I still have a year to go. Actually, I still have a semester to go and then 2 more semesters to go. So, if you really think about it, di ba? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Julia. Ayan. Hoy, hindi pwede yan. Let's be nice, guys. Let's all remember to be kind and to be nice and only to spread love. Spread love lang tayo. Wala na akong nails, guys, because hindi siya pwede sa aking course. Ayan. And because ang mga profs ko ay they love me very much. They love me very much. Sabi nila, can you please promote our program? Ano lang siya. Just for everybody's awareness, I am an occupational therapist. I'm currently studying occupational therapy. Ayun. So, what is occupational therapy? So, occupational therapists help our patients or our clients to not only regain independence in their daily activities that they find meaning in, pero of course, we ensure better quality care and better quality of life. Ayun. What is your favorite food? My favorite food. I have a lot of favorite foods, but I would say I like noodles and soup a lot. Ayun. Yes, Ram! Hello! Sinisigaw pa nga ako. Hello, hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Ram. May specialization ka sa mga kids with autism spectrum disorder. Occupational therapy is a very broad, profession because we don't only deal thank you, Miracle. Ayun. So yes, actually we do a lot of stuff in OT. So it's not just physical, it's not just mental. We do everything, almost everything. Oh, you're welcome, Julia. Good afternoon, Halloween. Hello. Nandito pala si Ate Mirai. Ate Mirai, konnichiwa. Hello. Wink wink. Hello, wink wink. So when ang live sa main mo? Ayaw nyo dito. Nakakapag-split ka na po. Huh? What do you mean? Bakit tinuruan? Siyempre, para makisabay siya sa amin, guys. Of course. Gusto namin dito, di ba? Ayaw nyo dito. Thank you sa pag-live. Alam mo ba, nanonood ako ng live mo habang naghihintay. Pagtigil sa pag-aayuno. Ano yung aayuno? What is that? Sorry. May lahi kang Japanese? Wala po. Yes. Fasting. Thank you. I don't know, like, Tagalog, some Tagalog words. Nahihirapan ako kasi I grew up speaking English. Talaga. As in, sabi ng mom ko, mag-English ka. Hindi ka magtatagalog for like, I don't know, 6 years of your life. Tapos pagpasok ko sa school, bumagsak ako sa Filipino, kaya pinagtagalog na nila. Hi! Bakit po kayo nag-live sa official account? Ayaw nyo! Tapong ko na to! Hello, fans since 2020. Hello! Ay, 2,000? Grabe! Sa Bible mo lang makikita. Sorry. Amen. Norris, kahit kaming puro Tagalog, bagsak disiplina. Kamusta si Benavides? Siya pa rin, nakatayo pa ba siya sa tapat ng Plaza Mayor? Oo yata. Si Benavides ba yun? Hindi ba si Thomas Aquinas? Kamukha niyo po si MNL48 Rene. Oo nga na. Grabe. Hala, alam nyo, hindi na ako nakapag-live update, guys. Kasi hindi kayo namimili kung anong topic natin. Magta 20k likes na tayo. You're so pretty. Thank you. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Kamukha mo kami, Oshiko. Sino? Flashback to the campaign. Nandito ka nagla-live. Yeah. Oo nga eh. Did you say Thomas Aquinas? Si Renee. Makati TMI. Okay. Ayun. 20k likes. Makati TMI. Kamusta ang day mo? My day is good. My day is great. Kasi nakausap ko kayo. Wow! Hi po, ano pong name niyo? So, my name is Renee. Please follow me on all my social media accounts. And of course, follow our official accounts. If you haven't followed us yet on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, our official account is always MNL48 Official. And for me, my accounts are Renee, RENEE.MNL48 Official. So please follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and follow me on Facebook then. I'm not that active on Facebook, but I'm going to try to be more active. Kabaka mo na si Shokot eh. Shoko Ieri! I love Shoko Ieri! Ayan. Yes. So, on Facebook, I am MNL48 Renee. On Instagram, I'm Renee.MNL48 Official. And on TikTok, I'm also Renee.MNL48 Official. Please follow me on Instagram para magkaroon na tayo ng broadcast channel. Parang awa nyo. Kasi nakakahiya mag-post sa stories ng mga updates ko na parang para lang sa atin. Para sa atin-atin lang. Kasi nakakahiya naman broadcast sa buong channel. Makikita ni GM ko ano pinagsasabi ko. Sige na. Sige na, please. Please. Ano bang kailangan gawin para i-follow nyo ako sa mga account ko? Kailangan po ba magpa-cute? Kailangan po ba magpa-cute? Kanta ka po, First Rabbit. Yaw. Ayan na. Ito na. Papakit na para i-follow nyo ko, guys. Wink, wink. No need na. Cute na po eh. Kita niyo ba yung mga TikTok ko? Like niyo naman. Like niyo naman ang mga TikTok ko. Ayun. Okay, so, Makati TMI. By the way, nagulan kami sa announcement kahapon. Okay, if you guys want clarifications, sige, recap lang natin. Unahin muna natin yung mga clarifications regarding yung live kagabi. Regarding yung live kagabi. Yun. So, please expect that we will be active once again in March, I believe. I believe that we will start to be more active in March. So, guys, please, abang-abang lang, konting tiis lang. Yes. We will start to be active more on our social medias again. So, yata! Yippee! 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 Ay, nag-live siya. Bawal ba? Kala mo, di siya pagod. Charot. Uy, may nakikita kong Gojo. Hi. Ayun, may nakita ko, nag-notif sa akin, may nag-follow sa akin. Thank you so much. But if i-follow nyo ko lahat. Nasaan si Chitan? Ito. Here's Chitan. Ayun si Chitan. Oh, Chitan. Hello, naano ako kasi wala akong nails. I feel so sad because I don't have nails. Kamusta ako? I've been okay. Okay naman. Mag-post ulit pero mag-post ng namagaang pisngi. Ganun ba? Ganun ba? Ganito ba sinasabi niyo? Yun ba yung sinasabi niyo? Hindi ko maintindihan eh. Hello! 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 Sakit ipin, pos. Sakit. Napupuno na naman ang screenshot phone ko, boss. Grabe. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Parang di masakit pa. Okay lang, nakaupo naman. Nakaupo yan. Ayan. Hello, Zenokage. Hello. Guys, tap the screen and share the live. Yes. Para naman we can get more. We can get more viewers right now. Konnichiwa. May campaign ba ulit, guys? No, guys. We're just active right now. We are kagaya nga na sabi ko kagabi, we are so back, guys. Babalik na kami sa inyo. Nagbalikan! Kakainis. Crazy. We are so back, guys. So, yun. Abang-abang na lang to reiterate for the people who have not yet or kung hindi nyo pa nababalitaan from last night, or if you didn't come by earlier, like this afternoon, we are going to start to be more active again on our social medias starting this March. Palakpak naman kayo! Ba't di kayo pumapalakpak? Kailan mo na-release ng PFC 2026? Okay, guys. I know everybody's excited. Kasi ako rin naman, I'm super excited. Kasi gusto ko na makita kung ano yung ating kinalabasan. But please expect that it will be uploaded soon. Yes. Literal na everything is finished. Okay na talaga lahat. Okay na. I-upload na lang siya. So, abang-abang na lang, guys. Abang-abang. Diba? Okay. Ayan. Yeah.ちょっと待ってて。マニラから、フィリピンから。Ayan. Yes. Lalo kang gumanda. Salamat. Sumimasen. フィリピンから来ました。名残坂？名残桜。Ayun. Are you still active in school? Of course I am. You can speak Korean pala. Ay, that was Japanese. Iba po ang Korean. What's your favorite Japanese word? Kawaii. Siyempre, because I am very kawaii. Geto! Asan? Asan? Turo mo! Where? Kawali. Gambate. Ayoko. Gusto ko gambare ne. Pero pwede rin. Gambatte ne. Gambare ne. Chotomate. Oo nga, no. Lagi ko sinasabi, chotomate. Chotomate. Like Australian Japanese. Chotomate. What is this called? Ate, nag-audition ka na ba in other gens? Yes! For those of you who are unfamiliar with my backstory, or if you don't know my backstory, I auditioned for MNL48 back in 2018. I was around 14 or 15 years old. Yes. And I auditioned for the first generation. I made it to the top 200, but unfortunately, I did not make it into top 75. So I got eliminated pretty early on. And then after that, I did some local indie idol stuff from 2019 to 2025, and then I auditioned for 5th Gen, and then I'm here! Ayon. Basta yung isang nail, I don't know if I should show it here sa official account. Ayun. Question is, alam mo na ba ang totoong meaning ng Renee? Ano ang totoong meaning ng Renee? Hala, may meaning pala yung pangalan ko. May meaning pala yun. Ayun. So, anyways, sige na. Ano na tayo. So, I do a segment on my solo lives on my account. Hindi sa official kasi minsan lang talaga ako mag-live sa aking personal account because this February has been very hectic for me because ayun. Anong tawag dito? Basta school stuff. Yun na lang. School stuff. Super saya ko. Number 2 ko sa PFC. Number 1 naman next time. Number 1 na next time, no? Number 1 na next time. Good luck sa studies mo. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, ayun. It's been very hectic for me sa hashtag registered voter. It's been very hectic for me this February because my preliminary exams were here. Ang tawag ito? My preliminary exams are very hard. Ayun. So, doon muna tayo sa Makati. So, I went to Makati last Saturday and I walked around kasi I was on the hunt for a new perfume, guys. Kaso, wala rin ako nabiling perfume kasi ang cute naman na. Thank you sa coffee. Thank you sa coffee. Thank you sa kape. Pakape. Yukichiba! Hello! Kaya magsalita ng ganyan. I love Yukichiba. Team tomodachi. Ore tachi nani? Team tomodachi. Kansai, Kanto, Nishi, Higashi, Kita, Minami. Team tomodachi. Perfume the girl group. Alam ko may balita sa kanila. But I forgot. But it was something. Alam niyo ba yung Love Live? Of course. Sino po pinaka-close mo sa 5th Gen? Lahat sila. Everybody. I love everybody. Everyone in 5th Gen is my sister. Sisters! Ayun. So, naghanap lang ako ng perfume nung Sabado. Kasi ubos na yung perfume ko currently. Yeah. Ubos na yung current perfume ko. So, ang weird sa akin na lumalabas ng hindi nagpapabango, guys. Alam niyo ba yun? No. I was looking for different brand ng perfume. Bakit lahat kayo nanghihingi ng advice? Lahat kayo mag-idol? Totoo ba? Totoo ba? Lahat kayo mag-idol? Pero ayun. Thank you, guys. When you ask me stuff like that, it warms my heart. Kasi, ang tawag dito, I came from being an independent idol, and to see that people are being inspired by me now on a bigger platform, it really warms my heart. Kasi dati ako yung nanghihingi ng advice ng ganyan, and now that people are asking me for advice, it really warms my heart. Kasi alam niyo yun, talagang parang I can say na wow, nandito na ako sa stage na to na pinapangarap ko lang dati, and now I'm here. So ayun. Ayan. Hello. What else can I talk about? Napanood kita nun sa cosplay events. Masaya ako sa achievements mo. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Ayun. Nakita niyo ba yung TikTok ko? Follow niyo na kasi ako sa TikTok. Follow niyo na ako sa TikTok. And, ayun. When will the music video be released? The music video will be released soon. So, please, please have patience po, because we're just dealing with a lot of stuff right now as well, and I hope that you guys can understand that ano lang, kasi syempre may mga inasikaso din naman kami, like some internal thingamajigs, so yun. I hope that you guys, have some patience. Konting patience lang, guys. Ayun. Yes. May inayos lang po kami. Pero, the music video, everything related to PFC 2026 is done. I-upload na lang po siya. Minsan rin na nag-gaming live ka. Yes, on my solo account, I do gaming lives. Actually, binalak ko talagang mag-gaming live today, kaso I don't think I can, because I have to do some stuff. Ayun. Okay, guys. Remember to spread love. Be kind to one another. Don't... Ayun. Share this live, guys. Share this live. Ano na lang. Ako na lang bokosan nyo. Huwag na kayo Don't spread any hate or anything like that, because that is not what we stand for. Konnichiwa! That is not what we stand for. We only spread love here. We only spread love and joy. Love, joy, hope. Love, joy, hope. Love, joy, hope tayo dito. Please share the live, guys. And heart. Pag nag 100k likes tayo, ano kayang pwedeng gawin? Kanta tayo? Kanta tayo na a cappella. Ano bang favorite nyo na kinakanta ko? Kaso kasi, I'm not really sure what we can sing. Kanta. Wait lang. Sige, hanap ako ng something. Hanap ako ng something to sing. Kanta ko, you gotta go and sorry. Ano pa? Ano bang pwedeng song? Kantayin ko na lang yung kinanta ko sa audition ko ng 5th Gen, which is From the Start by Leve. Pero 100k likes nyo muna and share the live so that we can reach 100k likes. Tara! I followed you na po. Thank you guys. Thank you. Subukan mo bang i-cover ang original na kanta ng JKT48 na Okay, I will take your requests, guys. And if I'm not familiar with the songs, I'll try my best to learn them. I know na may utang pa ako sa Penguins and the M&Loves Loves that watched my earliest streams na nag-promise ako nakakanta ako ng mga 48G songs and some J-pop songs as well and maybe Annie songs. But life just got really hectic, guys, so I hope that you guys can understand that hindi lahat ng bagay ay nasusunod. Nothing is set in stone. So I hope that, you guys can give me a little, anti lang naman na parang, okay lang, naintindihan ko. Because life doesn't go the way we expect sometimes. Thank you guys so much. Please be patient. Yes. Thank you for following me. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you. Wink, wink. Wink, wink. Ganun ba yun? Yeah. Thank you for the heart, Carl. Thank you, Osama. Yay. We missed so much. Yeah. Ayun, do I tell you guys about my exams? Sige. 60k likes. Kakwento ko yung nangyari sa akin sa aking practical exams. Oo nga, no? Pero bakit sinira ni Gojo yung mga equipment na pang-open dun sa seal? The thing is, he didn't know that he was gonna be sealed. Hindi naman niya alam. All he knows is that he has to fight. Okay? Hindi naman niya alam na masisil siya. Thank you. What's my major? My major is occupational therapy. Yes! Thank you po sa mga nagsasend ng treasure box, guys. Thank you! Thank you, guys. Thank you, Hyuno. Thank you. Hello, Nori. Konnichiwa. Yes, my major is quite hard, but of course, you do what you gotta do. Wala namang madali sa buhay. Wala namang madali sa buhay kundi matulog at huminga at kumain. Minsan nga mahirap pang kumain. Kasi kumari pag may sakit ka, hirap lumunok. Like, ouch! Diba? Ang mga pinakamadaling gawin sa buhay ay huminga, matulog, kumain. When did you start? I started going to university in 2021. Magsilpon. Madali lang magpakit po. Okay. Dali lang talaga magpakit. Natural eyes po ba yan or contacts? Ito, natural po. I'm an irregular student. Sabi niyo kasi, gusto niyo makita kung naka-contacts ako or hindi. Ayan, oo. Okay na ba? Nanggugulat. Samahan ng It's okay to be irregular, guys. Is being an irregular student hard? It is if you are bad at socializing. But I will say, of course, syempre, all things with hard work, you can get over. Ganda ng eyes mo, may limitless curse technique ka ba? Wala. 6 eyes lang. I-reg here pero lumalaban pa rin. Tama guys, laban lang kasi lahat tayo makakaraos. Basta mairaos nyo yan, okay na. You know, everybody has different goals, pero kung isipin mo kung i-reg ka, tapos ang plano mo ay magkaroon ng Latin honors, I'm not really sure. Does it work like that? Does it work like that? Pwede ka pa rin ba maging Latin honors kahit i-reg ka? I'm not really sure. Maybe for my university, hindi ko lang talaga sure. Kasi, goal ko naman talaga dati maging Latin honor student. But then, I quickly realized that you don't have to sacrifice much of yourself. You don't have to sacrifice yourself for something na ganun lang yung title. Kung kaya mo, kayanin mo. Pero yeah. Parang just know that life is not, life is not that serious. Just have fun. Thank you for the roses, Francis. Yes. Life should be fun. So, have fun and enjoy your life. Don't focus on the things that make you miserable or stuff like that. Or, baka naman tingin nyo miserable kayo kasi you work hard and wala na kayong pahinga. If you're the type of person who believes that your hard work will be fruitful, go all for it. Pero kung tingin nyo ay wala namang pupuntahan ng inyong hard work, just step back, relax, smell the flowers every once in a while. Yun. Yes. 60k. Ano nga pala yung sabi ko ng 60k? What did I say that was gonna happen for 60k? Kasi alam ko, 100k, kakanta ako. You need to tell a story about your exam. Kwento kasi 60k. Ayun! Yung exam ko pala. So, I think in most medical courses, you have to have like RET-DEMs or return demos or what we like to call in the OT department practicals. So practical exams are the bane of my existence. Practical exams are wala bang revalida? Meron! Last year nga, nagkaroon ako ng... Last year ba? Last year, I had a mini revalida. Ayun. Tapos... Ang practical exam namin was to, ang laging activity namin is to simulate a session with your client. So, you have your therapist, which is you, and then you have your client, which is your group mates or your prof. Depende kung activity lang yan or if it's the practical exams. So, sa practical exams, ang prof namin yung nag-a-act namin as clients. So, currently, I am studying psychosocial dysfunction in adults. So, yung aking professor, ang nakuha kong case is they are diagnosed with BPD or bipolar disorder, and they show signs and symptoms of mania and basta yun. So, ayun, we have to come up with a session plan. So, kailangan alam namin kung ano yung gagawin namin sa session, anong gagamitin naming ugali, anong gagamitin naming technique in order to communicate effectively with this kind of patient. So, ayun. Nakuha kong case is bipolar disorder with episodes of mania. And super kulit ng prof ko. Super kulit. Ano siya, daldal siya ng daldal because they are so fascinated with the topic. They're so fascinated with this one topic. So, parang yun ang gusto nilang pag-usapan. Ayaw nilang makipag-usap about anything else. So, usually, sa mga exams namin, syempre, kailangan namin maghanap ng points to discuss. So, we have to get the chief complaint, which is the problem or kung bakit siya ni-refer to OT. So, I had to look for the chief complaint, and I also had to take the medical history. So, medical history is, kuwari, sa family nyo ba may sakit? Have you had a family member have this kind of condition before? Yes or no? Do you have any other conditions that we should know about? Maybe you have history of diabetes or yeah. Maybe you have history of diabetes, maybe you have history of stroke, maybe, ayun. Mga ganon. Tapos, we also have this thing called mental status examination. So, it's a test where we, as the name says, we have to test your mental status. So, we have to look at your cognition, kung ikaw ba ay nasa tamang pag-iisip. So, if you have good orientation, if you have good judgment, if you have good insight, ganon, stuff like that. Yeah. Thank you to the person who is sending treasure boxes. Thank you so much. Ayun. So, yung client ko or yung prof ko was acting like nothing was wrong with them. Kasi sinasabi niya sa akin, hindi ko alam kung ba't ako nandito. Hindi naman ako... Wala namang problema. Sabi lang ng pamilya ko, punta ako dito. Punta na ako dito. So, immediately, you have to probe. You have to ask, bakit nga ba siya nandito? Kung naiintindihan niya ba kung bakit siya nandito sa center. Why they're admitted to the facility. So, you have to ask them why. So, dahil dine-deny niyang may sakit siya, or hindi niya ina-acknowledge na may sakit siya, they have poor insight. They have poor insight. So, I have to report that as poor insight. Ganun. Why? Of course, we have to know kasi it's how we know how to approach the patient. No? Kunwari, dinedenay nila na meron silang sakit. So, we have to be able to hindi naman convince them. Pero, kailangan lang namin i-inform siya na, oh, there is something, there's a reason why you are here, and we are going to find out that reason together. Okay? So, imbes na sasabihin namin, hindi, may sakit ka. No, that is a no-no. You have to be able to build rapport. You have to be able to tell them that you will be here for them. Ayun. Yeah, you have to be able to tell them that you are here for them. Hi! Ayun. Tapos, nagpa-dance activity ako. So, yung prof ko, sumayaw siya. Tinuruan ko siya mag-PFC. Tinuruan ko siya mag-PFC kahit sinasabi niya sa akin, ano ba, favorite K-pop artist ko, si Jennie. Gusto ko gumagano'n. Yeah. Tapos sabi ko, okay po sir, but we are going to learn pag-ibig fortune cookie. Kasi yung mga kasama mo po, because this was supposed to be in a group setting, so it was supposed to be like group therapy or like a group session. So we had to say na, hindi po kasi familiar yung mga kasama nyo. Hindi po kasi familiar mga groupmates nyo kay Jennie. Ayun. Tapos, nakakatuwa kasi, yung prof namin iisa lang. Eh, di ba group session siya? So, winarningan na rin kami nung parang main prof namin dun sa course na yan na parang, huwag kayong mag-alala kung group session yan. Kasi, ang mga prof nyo, magagaling niyang mga yan. Umarte. Kaya nilang i-embody lahat kung ilang group members man yang sabihin nyo. Because we had to decide on what kind of group was to be used and how many group members. So, ako naman, sabi ko 3, including the patient. So, yung prof ko, akala ko kasi aarte siya na siya din yung group member, pero hindi. Sabi niya, uy, makinig ka daw. Sabi niya, huy, makinig ka daw. Sabi, makinig ka daw. Para bang tropa lang. Oo nga eh. Hoy, malapit tayo mag 100k. Malapit tayo mag 100k. OMG. Wait lang. Malay niyo siya pala boss sa acting workshop. Ay. Ano guys? What's up? What else? Hi! Hello! Renee acting debut soon. Alam niyo ba, matagal ko na rin gusto mag-actress. Gusto ko din mag-actress kasi, ang tawag dito, I have this one favorite K-drama. Like, favorite ko siya hanggang ngayon. It's called Extracurricular and it's on Tudum. Ayun. Hi, I'm from Indonesia. Hello! Terima kasih for watching the stream. Terima kasih. Workshop kay Arman Salon. Ay, Diyos ko! Diyos ko po! Diyos ko po! Ganon? Ganon ba? Diyos ko! Diyos ko po! Diyos ko po! Hi, from Tawi-Tawi. Hello! hello. Diyos ko! Diyos ko pa! Diyos ko pa! Ganon. Parang flashback sa huli kong solo life. Parang ganon. Ohio from Japan. Hello! From Mexico. Pampanga. Grabe kayo. Miss kita, boss. Nami-miss ko na rin kayo, guys. I miss you guys so much. Kaya I'm so happy that we're going to be up and running once again on our social medias. Sobrang saya. Sobrang happy ko that we are going to be, we're going to see each other again more often. Please come to the US so you can meet and greet me. I mean, it's half empty, it's half full. The glass is half empty, the glass is half full. There is no glass. I'm crazy. Sana all baliw. Hi. Oo nga eh. Malapit na tayo mga 100k guys. Keep tapping and keep sharing the live, y'all. Yippee! Tagal ko na rin hindi kumakanta guys. Kakantahan ko kayo ulit. Alam niyo ba, ang ano ko ngayon, ang LSS ko lately is Stateside by Pink Panthers and Zara Larsson. You can be my American, ha ha boy. You can be my American, ha ha boy. I've been touring stateside, kissing my Swedish boy over FaceTime. Who know, opening up would make me a headline boots. That's my ego boost. Scheduling my lows for a minute. Yeah, I'm that girl up in it. Hello, Sheens. Hi. Paano yung Zara Larsson kapag sumali siya sa Fruit Zipper? It's bad kawaii, tokoro ni kizuiteru. Ganon. Hi guys, focus naman kayo sa akin. Tatampo na ako, ayoko na. Ayoko na. Tatalikod na ako, ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ayaw niya ako pansinin eh. Ayaw. Ayaw ko nga. Ayaw niya ako pansinin eh. Ayoko. Bahala kayo dyan. Marunong ka ba magsalita ng Indonesian? No, but I know how to say thank you. But I will try to... Wait. I'll try to introduce myself in Indonesian. Wait. I'll try. Let me just pull up... Oops. Let me just pull up... Translate. How do you say this?
Halo, nama saya Reni dari 048.
Huh? Halo, nama saya Rene dari MNL48. Tama ba? Halo, nama saya Rene dari MNL48. Tama ba? How is this? How do I say this?
Terima kasih telah menonton siaran langsung saya.
Terima kasih telah menonton siaran langsung saya. I don't know if that was correct. Hello. Tama ba? K na. Ayoko, ginagalit niyo ako eh. Ginagalit niyo ako eh. Hi, Alan. Kami Oshi, tapos di naman ako yung profile picture. Konti lang kinanta ko dito eh. Sa audition song ko. Ano? G na ba? Magre-record na ba kayo? G na ba? Sige. Ano lang, hanggang first chorus lang because yun din yung sinabi ko sa, Hoy! Ang viewers natin 6-7 na lang. Like and share nyo naman kasi yung stream. Bakit tumuanti kayo? Tumuanti kayo. Tumuanti kayo. 6-7 viewers na lang tayo. No. Ayaw na namin i-share sa iba. Look. Bakit? Pag kayo mang gatekeep. Ba't kayo nang gatekeep? Sobrang close naman natin sis. Kaya pang lumapit. Hi! Ayan, sige, mag-start na tayo. Gusto nyo ba may, ano pa? Ewan ko kung, baka pangit yung ano eh. Yung may tugtog. Pero try lang natin, I guess. Ayan ba, naririnig nyo? Naririnig nyo ba? Pa 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 da 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 da. Okay naman yung volume. Okay, okay. Sige, ito na, start na. Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you and awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burning pain. Listening to you harp on about some new soulmate. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish you wake up one day. Run to me, confess your love. At least just let me say that when I talk to you, oh, Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start. Ba-ya-ba-da, ba-ba-da-ba-da, da-da-da-da. Ba-ya-da, ya-ba-da-da, ya-ba-da, ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da, ba-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. What's a girl to do? Lying on my bed staring into the blue. Unrequited, terrifying love is driving me a bit insane. Have to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today that when I talk to you, oh, Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start? Confess I loved you, just thinking of you. I know I've loved you from the start. Hi! So that was my audition piece for 5th Gen. Ano nga ba ang audition piece ko for 1st Gen? Sige, dahil mag 110k muna tayo. Tapos kakantahin ko yung ayan. Arigato! Arigato gozaimasu! Arigato! Ayun. Ang tawag dito. Pag naka 110k tayo, kakantahin ko yung sa 1st Gen audition ko. Lapit na, lapit na, lapit na. Ganun, ganun. Ganun. Can you speak Indonesian? No. I'm not fluent, but with the help of Translate, I can try, or I can ask Ate Mirai to help me because she's fluent in bahasa Indonesia. But thank you, terima kasih for watching my stream. Hi! Ayan na, 110 na. Ito na. Ito na yata yun, guys. Ito na. Sana naririnig to. Naririnig naman pala yata. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your ship in. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, just bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one on you, and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair, making a home down there as mine sure won't be shared. You're gonna wish your scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it with a beat and throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasured gold. You pay me back and kind and reap just what you sow. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. It all, it all, it all. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat. Realist. Ayun, so that was my first gen audition piece. Sugoi, arigato. Terima kasih, terima kasih. Isang bagsak. Pa! Tapos, because I'm feeling nice, I'm feeling nice, haranahan ko kayo. Hinaranahan. Uy! Feeling nice! Haharanahin ko kayo, guys. And this is one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite songs from Ano? This is one of my favorite songs to sing. Hello. Ayan.
Speech.
Ayan. This is one of my favorite songs to sing. And I hope that you guys enjoy this. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this song. Wala, 50 viewers na lang tayo. No. Share the live, please. Ayaw niya ako panoodin. No. Pero sige, kanta na lang ako dito. Bala na kayo guys ha. Y'all got me. Kaya niyo na yan, pataasin niyo pa. Kaya niya, kakanta lang ako dito. Para pagpasok nila, wow! Kumakanta. Ganun. Ayan. You guys got this. And I dedicate this song to Emin Loves. And of course, Penguinatics. Love you guys! Di biro ang sumulat ng awitin para sa'yo. Para akong isang siraulo, hilot nito. Sa akin pang mina ng piano, tikla'y pilit nilaro. Baka sakaling merong tono, bigla na lang humuspo. Tungkol saan naman kaya awitin para sa'yo? Di biro ang gawing sukat ang titik sa tono. 10 man aking diksyonaryo, kung ang tugma'y di wasto. Basta't isiping di magbabago, damdamin ko sa iyo. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan mapunta. Araw-gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Biruin mo na sabi ko ang nais kong ipahatid. Dapat mo lamang mabatid naman itong dibdib. Tila 10 daang awitin ang natapos kong likhain. Ito ang tunay na damdamin, tanggapin at inggit. Araw-gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. happy. Ano pa ba? Kakanta pa ako for you guys. Kanta pa. Isa pa. Maybe something. I dedicate this to a very special person. I dedicate this to a very special person, and this song is for you. This song is for you. I dedicate this for you. Love you, Wida.
Tumingin sa langit ng umaga, sa araw kung tawagin ay ngayon. Umaasang malalagpasan na may ngiti, tahimik na hinihiling. Kung minsan pumapatak ang ulan, ngunit luha ay umapaw. Mga araw di umayon sa ating plano, bukas pagsisipagan ko. Pangarap na aking inaasam, isang pangako na malaya, nagagawa lahat aking ninanais. Ito ang aking hangarin. Buhay ay eroplanong papel, dala ang pangarap, ito'y lumilipad, kasabay ng pag-ihip ng hangin, patuloy sa pagsulong. Sa halip niya, bintana ang layo, kung saan to naglakbay, at kung saan man mapagpag, ito ang mas higit na mahalaga. Tibok ng puso ang gabay, 365 araw. Pagkataong makita ang bituin o gabing halos walang makita, kahit nawawalan man ng pag-asa, nagkahanap ng sandigan. Sa iyong pinagdadaanan, umasa kang hindi ka nag-iisa. Di mo lang napansin ang kabutihan ng mga tao sa paligid. Buhay ay eroplanong papel, dala
Oh! Pero guys, wala. I love you all. And sobrang na-miss ko kayo. Sobrang na-miss ko kayo, Emin Loves, and I'm so happy that I met you guys. So happy that I met you all. And here's to many, many more moments together. No? Here's to more moments together. I love you all. And yeah. I love you all. And I hope that you guys continue to be kind, to spread love, happiness. Spread love and happiness to each other, guys. Always be happy, always be supportive of one another. And I hope that you find it in yourselves to be kind, not only to others, but also to yourselves. Give yourselves credit, give yourselves a pat on the back. You guys are doing great, and I'm proud of you all. Yes. Be respectful, be kind, love one another. Ayun. Love you. Oh, nanahimik bigla. Lo. Bakit nanahimik? Hello to our international viewers. Before I leave you guys, before I leave the live, magkanta naman tayo ng something na masaya. Kanta naman tayo sa something masaya, no? Hi. Kanta tayo na something masaya. Ayaw nyo? Ang saya-saya. Minsan sa aming paglalakad kami napadpad sa kuwebang madilim, walang makita. Aking mga kasama sa dilim na takot na, ayaw nilang pumasok pa na hintuan na. Pero ako natuwa sa kinakita, kahit sa dilim ay matapang ako. Kahit na masaktan, di ka tatakutan. Kahit ang kadiliman, di uurungan. Dahil ang pangarap ay pinaglalaban. Sa isono usagi ni naruo. lagi kung mahina ang loob. Itaas ang sarili, tapang ang sandata. Naman kakampi ang mga bituin, sa daraanan ko bakas maiiwan. Kahit nasa puso ay may pagdududa, tatapangan ang loob, lalaban ako. Nasusugatan, may matututunan. Kahit ako'y lumuha, kahit pa masaktan, lahat ng hirap at dusa titiisin ko. Sa isono usagi ni naruo. Ay, may oras pa pala ako. So, kakanta pa ako. Kakanta pa ka ng ilan pa. Tignan nyo, lahat tayo di matatalo. Sa buhay at susuko, buong loob susuko na. Walang iwanan, magtatagumpay lahat. Kahit na masakal, di ka tatakutan. Kahit ang kadiliman, di urungan. Tulad ng pangarap na pinaglalaban, tuloy-tuloy walang susuko hanggang makatutunan. Nasusugatan, may natututunan. Kahit ako'y lumuha, kahit pa masaktan, lahat ng hirap at dusa titiisin ko. Sa isang usagi ni naruo. Hello, I'm Renee. I'm from the 5th generation of MNL48. Look! Bido. Ano ba yung favorite niyang song sa akin ng MNL na gusto niyong i-center ko? Ano, diba? Palusot ba? Palusot? Hebiro te, PKM. PKM, sige. Hebiro te. Hasira penguin. Pinibilisan ko na ang pagbibisikleta. Pinapawisan na pagod ay wala, basta ikaw ay makita. Dahil noong bakasyon ay hindi ka nakita. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit miss kita. Kaibigan ang akala ko, hanggang doon na lang tayo. Pero bakit nga ba ikaw ay ikaw na ay namimiss na? Maybe siguro ay gusto na kita. Walang kaulap-ulap sa bughaw na langit. Maybe siguro ay gusto na kita. Kahit nasa sarili ko, di malinaw pa to. Palusot ko'y maybe. Kapag nakikita ka, iniisip bakit ba may nagbago, di na bata.
ang kilos at itsura mo nang ako'y tanungin mo, kumustang bakasyon ko? Bakit naguguluhan ako'y nabubulol na? Ikaw pa rin bang dating kasama sa bawat lungkot at saya? Kapag tinitignan ka, bakit ba parang iba? Maybe naguguluhan na ako. Siguro ikaw ay gusto lihim na itatago ko. Maybe kahit ako'y sigurado di aamin sa totoo, kahit nasa sarili ko. Palusot tayo, maybe. Minamahal ka, nasasaktan na dahil di ko kayang wala ka. Minamahal ka, nasasaktan na, ito ang totoo. Gusto kita, gusto kita, gusto kita. Dito sa puso ko, totoo na gusto kita. Maybe naguguluhan na nga ako. Siguro ikaw ay gusto lihim na itatago ko. Maybe kahit ako'y sigurado di aamin sa totoo, kahit nasa sarili ko. Palusot tayo, maybe. Last song. Nakita ko kanina eh. Sige, last song. Pagbigyan. Pagbigyan. Last song. Last song. 1, 2, 3, 4. Napangit. Gusto ko yung yung official yung tunog. Sorry, maarte. Ito na. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you, I need you, I love you. 頭の中ガンガン鳴ってるミュージック、ヘビーローテーション。ポップコーンが弾けるように好きという文字が踊る、顔や声を思うだけでいても立ってもいられない、こんな気持ちになれるって僕はついているね。I want you, I need you, I love you. 君に会えてどんどん近づくその距離にマックスハイテンション。I want you, I need you, I love you. ハートの奥じゃんじゃん溢れる愛しさはヘビーローテーション。人は誰も一緒のうち何回愛せるのだろう、たった一度忘 くさこんなときめきを感じて花はほくろぶかな I feel you I touch you I hold you 夢の中でだんだん大きくなってゆく僕のイマジネーション I feel you I touch you I hold you この想いをビンビン伝えてほしいからヘビーローテーションいつも聴いてたフェボリートソングあの曲のようにずっと繰り返して24時間君だけリクエスト中 I want you I need you I love you 君に会えてどんどん近づくその距離にマックスハイテンション I want you I need you I love you ハートの奥全然溢れる愛しさはヘビーローテーションヘビーローテーション Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching my live for today. Na-miss ko kayong lahat sobra. Oo. Grabe, no? 2 hours tayong nagkasama. 2 hours chikaing and doing everything and nothing all at the same time. I love you guys so much. MNL48 is back. We are so back. We are gonna be more active starting this March. We are gonna be more active in March. Yes. We're gonna be active in March for PFC 2026. Please have a little more patience, guys. Everything is done. Everything is a-okay. I-upload na lang siya, guys. So, abang-abang na lang kung kailan siya i-upload, kung kailan ang announcements. Ayun. And thank you so much for watching my live. Yeah! Yay! Thank you so much for watching my live here on the official account. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you all. And of course, this has been MNL48 Renee. And tatandaan nyo guys, lagi kayong cute! Thank you guys so much for watching my live. Otsuwink, everybody. Otsuwink. Thank you, everybody. Otsuwink. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.